Hello everyone, how are you all? I am here to teach you one lesson from your English textbook First Flight. The name of the lesson is Dust of Snow. You can see the lesson at page number 14. Dust of Snow is a short poem written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet. You have already learned one of his lessons in 9th standard, The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost is a nature lover. His poems are very popular worldwide. Dust of Snow is one of the shortest poems ever written by Robert Frost. Yet it is one of the most loved poems also. This poem consists of two stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. So we have 8 lines in total. Now I am going to read the poem. Listen. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. This poem is a small incident that happened in Robert Frost's life in winter. The weather conditions in winter are very harsh in North America. It's very cold outside. Everywhere is filled with snow. On a winter's day, the poet had been forced to step out of his house and walk around in order to accomplish some task or other. He had been unable to complete his work. The poet believed that particular day would be going to waste. His mood had become sullen and despairing. He was in a very bad mood. He was walking under hemlock trees. Hemlock tree is a coniferous tree found in America. It is considered as a bad omen there. Hemlock is the poison that was used to kill Socrates. So it's a symbol of death. Suddenly, as the poet was walking under hemlock trees, a crow alighted atop of one of the branches of the hemlock tree, causing the snowflakes to rain down upon the poet. Crow is also considered as a bad omen there. Crow is the ugliest among all birds. It is a symbol of a trickster. They are pretty mischievous birds. So, because of the crow, the snowflakes fell down on the poet. But the raining down of snowflakes upon the poet didn't upset the poet further. In fact, the quite opposite happened. His mood immediately improved. He was cheered up. He felt joy and thankfulness to be alive on such a beautiful day. The snowflakes were so light and minuscule that the poet felt that they resembled dust particles more than anything else. That's why the title is Dust of Snow. The snowflakes are just like dust particles. The poet realized that his day was not wasted. He can do many other things in that particular day. The weather condition is very harsh, but the snow is very beautiful to watch. Nature is beautiful even at its harshest. So we should find happiness from nature. The poet suddenly realized that. Beautiful things in life are free. Natural world is outside there for us to see and touch free of cost. However, generally we take it as for granted. We should find happiness from small things. A small act like caring, kindness, smile can give good impact on others. Nature has positive and negative aspects. If we are able to find out the good things in life, we will learn to appreciate nature and everything in life. So find happiness from good things, small things. Explore nature, find happiness from nature. The rhyming scheme of the poem is A B A B. First line ends with crow and third line ends with snow. Second line ends with me, fourth line ends with tree. So the rhyming scheme is A B A B. I hope you could follow my poem. I will send you some notes later. If you have any doubt, text me.